Florida's Homestead Exemption is a legal provision that provides property tax relief to permanent residents of the state of Florida. The exemption allows eligible homeowners to reduce their assessed property value by up to $50,000 for tax purposes, which results in lower property taxes. To qualify for the homestead exemption in Florida, several requirements must be met. 1. Permanent residence. The property must be the homeowner's primary residence and must be occupied as such on January 1st of the tax year. 2. Ownership. The homeowner must own the property, either individually or jointly with a spouse. 3. Residency. The homeowner must be a legal Florida resident as of January 1st. Applications for the homestead exemption must be filed with the county property appraiser's office by March 1st of the tax year. The application process typically requires providing proof of residency, ownership, and Florida residency, such as a driver's license or voter registration card. Once approved, the property appraiser will assess the property's value and subtract the homestead exemption amount from the assessed value. This reduced assessed value is then used to calculate the homeowner's property taxes. In addition to the general homestead exemption, Florida also offers additional exemptions for certain groups, such as seniors, veterans with disabilities, and surviving spouses of veterans. These exemptions can offer additional tax relief and have their own specific eligibility requirements. It's important to note that the homestead exemption only applies to property taxes and does not protect against other taxes, such as sales or income taxes. Also, the exemption does not necessarily freeze the property's assessed value, as it can still increase based on the market value of the property. Overall, Florida's homestead exemption is designed to provide property tax relief to permanent residents and encourage homeownership. It can result in significant savings for eligible homeowners, making it an attractive benefit for Florida residents. Why is Florida's homestead exemption important to senior citizens? Florida's homestead exemption is important to senior citizens for several reasons. 1. Property tax relief. The homestead exemption allows eligible homeowners to exclude a certain amount of their property's value from taxation. For senior citizens living on fixed incomes, this can be particularly beneficial as it helps reduce the burden of property taxes. 2. Protection against property value increases. The homestead exemption also offers protection against steep increases in property values. Under Florida law, the assessed value of a homestead property cannot increase by more than 3% or the Consumer Price Index, CPI, whichever is lower. This limitation ensures that seniors are not unfairly burdened by rising property values and subsequent tax increases. 3. Asset protection. The homestead exemption offers asset protection for seniors. In Florida, the exemption provides creditors with limited access to a homeowner's primary residence. This can be especially important for seniors who may be at risk of financial instability due to medical expenses, debts, or other unforeseen circumstances. 4. Passing down the exemption. Florida's homestead exemption allows seniors to transfer their exemption benefits to their surviving spouse or minor children in certain cases. This provision ensures that the benefits of the exemption can still be availed by the senior's family even after their passing. 5. Age-based additional exemptions. Florida offers additional exemptions for senior citizens aged 65 and older. These exemptions may include an additional reduction in property taxes or a freeze on the assessed value of the homestead property, providing further financial relief for seniors. Overall, Florida's homestead exemption helps senior citizens by providing property tax relief, protecting against drastic tax increases, safeguarding assets, allowing for the transfer of benefits to family members, and offering age-based additional exemptions. It is an essential tool in supporting senior citizens to maintain their homes, preserve their financial stability, and alleviate the financial burden associated with homeownership. This video is meant to provide you with a general introduction into Florida's homestead exemption. It should in no way be considered legal advice. Always consult your attorney, tax consultant, and real estate agent for expert advice on this matter. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos of interest to our baby boomer audience. Until next time, remember, boomers rock.